Hi, and welcome to the GT Woodshop. For some time now, I've been watching another YouTube channel with a modicum of interest, namely that of the Secret Yorkshire Cook. Great vids, great food. Tried a few myself. I must say I do fancy myself in the kitchen. I've burnt the odd piece of lettuce and fried a few peanuts now and again. You know how it goes. Anyway, whilst enjoying his vids, I noticed a rather used, abused and dishevelled chopping board. So I thought I'd make him one. What ensues is the making of this very board for the Secret Yorkshire Cook. I start by selecting the materials I want to use for this particular board. I have a pattern in mind. One red, one white, one, and oops, no, sorry. I cut all my chosen boards to length, and then it's off to the planer and the thicknesser to get them all square and true. With all my boards now square and true, I can move over to the table saw and cut them to the sizes I need to make this particularly stunning and attractive design I have in mind. I'm afraid I've had to edit this bit down quite considerably, as it appeared on reviewing the footage I'd managed to find a setting on the camera called Make the Audience Feel Seasick. I've since turned it off and no idea what it was. Oh well, moving on. With all the boards flat, square, true and cut to size, it's time for the first glue up. I removed the board from the clamps after it sat for 24 hours, so I know everything's completely gone off and cured. Now it's time to de-snot the board. What a wonderful phrase. I pass the board through the thicknesser to make sure everything's flat and smooth, and then I cut it up into pieces again. Time for the second glue up. I love this bit because it's the pattern reveal. Not quite as good as when you oil it, but still highly enjoyable. After the second glue up and a tad's more de-snotting, it's sanding, sanding, sanding all the way home. The damping. Very important step, as damping the board swells the grain so it's less likely to do so when you apply the finish. But it also gives you an idea of what it's going to look like when the oil goes on. Rounding over the edges with the router, a very simple step, but it really changes the feel and appearance of the board from being a square or rectangular block of wood into a chopping board. Quite dramatic change. The branding. Took quite a bit of practice to work out the right temperature and how long to keep the brand on the board without making a stinking mess of it. And the best part, the most dramatic part of the whole process, applying the oil. I'll just draw this out for as long as I can, I think. Well, there you have it. From this to this, in 214 simple and easy to follow steps. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know I enjoyed making it, and I sincerely hope the Secret Yorkshire Cook enjoys using it. I'm sure he will. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos on this channel, including boo-boos, I'll leave them in. Then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tick on the bell. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ta-ra.